in this cinema, anyway, our hero is not there. This is with characters story. Who is our hero in our movie? Arcad is not there here. But here, there are 2 to 3 members I will introduce for you people. One is Rodan. What is his name? Rodan. Rodan. R-O-D-A-N. Rodan. The second person is Mathan. M-A-T-H-O-N. Mathan. The third person is Araman. Okay, like there are 3 characters, main characters. 1 or 2 more nameless characters will be there, or another name is also there. That part I will take care while the topic going on. So 3 members. Who is the first person? Rodan. Second person? Mathan. Okay, like Mathan. The third person is Araman. There are 3 members are there in our current scene. Okay, in the movie, current scene, 3 members. Who is this Rodan? Okay, Rodan is a spear maker. Do you know spear maker means? తెలుగులో ఏమంటాం బడిసెలు ఉంటాయి కదా విల్లు అంటారా విల్లు కాదు బడిసెలు ఓకే there is one weapon will be there we are going to దాన్ని yeah hunting purpose if you are going to give that is what spear S-P-E-A-R. Here observe that Rodan Rodan he the spear maker. Okay, he the expert in that. Next, what is the other name I used? Mathan, right? Other name, Mathan. This person, Mathan, this person is the gold lender of Babylon. This person is giving the loans for the people. The third person is Aramin. Aramin is Rodan's brother-in-law. Okay, like his sister's husband. Rodan's sister's husband is Araman. Okay, like 3 characters are there, man. So Araman is the close relative to Rodan, right?
Yes.
Because his sister's husband only. Baba. Okay, his sister's husband only, brother-in-laws. Okay, so brother-in-law, like a close relative. Next, this person, Mathan, is expert. Okay, he is the lender to give the loans to the Babylon people. One day, that Rodan created one wonderful spear design. And then showed to the king. This is the new type of design. It's going to be very helpful for our soldiers, for our army. So just have a look once, like he showed the design. The king really impressed like anything. Array, what a wonderful work. So just give some reward to this person, like the king gave 50 gold coins to the Rodan.